Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on fundamentals of financial accounting. This is part 3rd. Now come to the question. Question number 1. According to which concept the proprietors pays interest on drawings? A. Accrual concept. B. Conservatism concept. C. Entity concept. D. Dual aspect concept. Correct option is C. Entity concept. Question number 2. Cost concept basically recognizes dash A. Fair market value. B. Historical cost. C. Realizable value. D. Replacement cost. Correct option is B. Historical value. 3. If the market value of closing inventory is less than its cost price, inventory will be shown at dash A. Marketable value. B. Fair market value. C. Both. D. None. Correct option is A. Marketable value. 4. Market price of good declined, then the cost price, then the concept that plays a key role is dash A. Materiality. B. Going concern concept. C. Realization. D. Consistency. Correct option is C. Realization. 5. Fixed assets are double the current assets and half the capital. The current assets are rupees 3 lakhs and investments are rupees 4 lakhs. Then the current liability is recorded in balance sheet. Here, if you calculate, you will find the correct answer is B. 1 lakh. 6. Which of the following provide framework and accounting policies so that the financial statements of different enterprises become comparable? A. Business standards. B. Accounting standards. C. Market standards. D. None. Correct option is B. Accounting standards. 7. Which of the following factor is not considered while selecting accounting policies? A. Prudence. B. Substance over form. C. Accountancy. D. Materiality. Correct option is C. Accountancy. A. Debit the receiver and credit the giver is dash account. A. Personal. B. Real. C. Nominal. D. All. Correct option is A. Personal. 9. Cash account is a dash A. Real account. B. Nominal account. C. Personal. Or D. None. Correct option is A. Real account. 10. As per accrual concept, which of the following is not true? So here correct option is C. Sales plus gross profit is equal to revenue. This is not true. 11. Mr. X sold goods to Mr. Y. Ask Mr. X to keep the goods with him for some time. A. Symbolic delivery. B. Actual delivery. C. Constructive delivery. Or D. None. Here correct option is A. Symbolic delivery. 12. If nothing is written about the accounting assumption to be followed, it is presumed that A. They have been followed. B. They have not been followed. C. They are followed to some extent. Or D. None. Correct option is B. They have not been followed. 13. Capital account is a dash account. A. Personal. B. Real. C. Nominal. D. None. Here correct option is A. Personal. 14. Cash account is a dash account. A. Personal. B. Real. C. Nominal. D. None. Here correct option is B. Real. 15. The principal debit the receiver and credit the giver is related to dash A. Personal account. B. Real account. C. Nominal account. Or D. None. Here correct option is A. Personal account. 16. As per the matching concept, revenue dash is equal to dash question mark is equal to profit. A. Expenses. B. Liabilities. C. Losses. D. Assets. Here correct option is A. Expenses. 17. Sales minus gross profit is equal to dash. So here correct option is A. Cost of goods sold. 18. Which of the following is a real account? A. Building account. B. Capital. C. Sham account. D. Rent. The correct option is A. Building account. 19. Valuation of stock in accounting follows the principle of cost price or dash whichever is lower. A. Market price. B. Average price. C. Net realizable value. Or D. None. The correct option is C. Net realizable value. 20. Which of the following is not a nominal account? So the correct option is A. Outstanding salaries account. 21. A trader calculated his profit as rupees 1,50,000 on 31st of March 2014. It is an A. Transaction, B. Event, C. Transaction as well as event, or D. Neither transaction nor event. Correct option is B. Event. 22. Mr. X is a dealer in electronic goods, say refrigerator, washing machine, etc. He purchased 2 air conditioners and installed in his showroom. In the books of X, the cost to air conditioners will be debited to A. Drawing account, B. Capital account, C. Fixed assets, or D. Purchases account. Correct option is C. Fixed assets. 23. For every debit, there will be an equal credit according to correct option is D. Dual aspect concept. 24. Historical cost concept requires the valuation of an asset at A. Original cost, B. Replacement value, C. Net realizable value, D. Market value. Correct option is A. Original cost. 25. The comparison of financial statement of one year with that of another is possible only when dash concept is followed. A. Going concern, B. Accrual, C. Consistency, D. Materiality. Correct option is C. Consistency. 26. An asset was purchased for rupees 10 lakhs with the down payment of rupees 2 lakhs and bills accepted for rupees 8 lakhs. What would be the effect on the total asset and total liabilities in the balance sheet? So the correct option is D. Assets increased by rupees 8 lakhs and liabilities increased by rupees 8 lakhs. 27. Profit and loss is calculated at the stage of A. Recording, B. Posting, C. Classifying, D. Summarizing. Correct option is D. Summarizing. 28. Which of the following is not the main objective of accounting? So correct option is D. Solving tax disputes with tax authorities. 29. The rule debit all expenses and losses and credit all income and gains relates to correct option is C. Nominal accounts. 30. Matching concept means here correct option is D. Expenses should be matched with the revenue of the period. 31. Sales expenditure budget is prepared by estimating the expense or expenses of A. Advertisement, B. Market analysis, C. Salesman's salary, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 32. Budgeting is difficult to apply in the following cases. A. Products subjected to rapid changes, B. Job order manufacturing, C. Uncertain market conditions, or D. All. Correct option is D. All of the above. 33. A master budget consists of A. Sales budget, B. Production budget, C. Material budget, D. All. Here correct option is D. All. So this was about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.